Alright, let's go into the store. Marigold, I remember you. You remember me? Yes. Oh, where's Flower? Oh, Flower? She's in California. Oh. Well, can I purchase a few things? Of course, Marigold. Also, what happened to your hair? Oh, it's just a wig. I still have my kitty ears and blonde hair. It's just under this. In a bun. Alright, I'm gonna grab a few Bloxades and some Cokes. Alright, and some Doritos. And I also want to buy some Reese's. Alright, that'll be $5. Thank you. Okay. Living life in my apartment is really cool. I really wish Flower could see it though, but she's in California to be a rock star, which is what she always wanted to be. She was always telling me she would always wanted to be that. Well, did I say for nothing? My room's on fire now! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay, so now I have to call the firefighters. So let's get them on the phone. Okay, firefighters. Yes, my room is on fire. Please, come help. Okay, thank you. Okay, they're on their way. Oh my god, thank goodness. I wish Flower was here right now. Oh my god. My bedroom. My safe. My money. Well, there's nothing we can do. I'm now in a big depression now that my room is gone. And Flower, she would usually help me feel better. But she can't because she's in California. There's a house fire! What a bad day. I'm just gonna kick back and relax. First my room burns down. Then I have to help someone in a house fire.